All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of last week's $50 free break credit for filling 10 breaks. So we will check the time March 15th at 12:50 p.m. We're going to go over to the freebie and type live. We have March 15th at 12:50 p.m. This is the list of our 151 non-winning spots. All winning spots from each break have been removed. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need 3 dice, 8 or higher. That's not enough. That's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Michael Spot 8 in, I think that was a full-size helmet break. So, Michael Pursuti, you are the winner of the $50 break credit for this week. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 15th, 12:51 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.